Hello and welcome to the Daily Forex Report for May 16th. We are looking at the US-Japanese yen pair. This pair closed down today, did form an inside bar. We are looking for this pair to continue moving sideways, potentially going up to 81.46, possibly as low as 80.23. Look for some resistance around 81.15 and look for some support around 80.40. Now the Euro-USD pair, this pair pulled back, did make a new low, but pulled back, closed higher. We are looking for this pair to continue moving lower. Look for it to potentially go up to 143.18, possibly as low as 139.77. Look for some resistance around 142.44, and look for some support around 140.43. Now the pound US dollar pair, this pair closed down, did create an inside bar during the session. We are looking for it to continue its move to the downside, possibly moving up and hitting resistance on a reversal up to 162.53, possibly moving down and hitting support around 161.41. Now the US Swiss, this pair did not make a new high. It was an inside bar as well, closed lower though, pretty large range. Look for some resistance around 0.8950, possibly moving down and hitting support around 0.8780. Now, as far as news announcements go, we have at 2:30 a.m. Eastern Time, European Financial Ministers Summit in Brussels. We also have the Consumer Price Index for the pound being released at 4:30 a.m. Eastern Time. For April, consensus on that one is that it has moved from 4.0% to 4.1%. Also showing the pound core consumer price index having held at 3.2%. Well, let's take a look at kind of the trades I'm looking for. No surprise, we have 3 inside bars, so I am looking for breakouts on these. So let's go through those real quick. We have potential to the upside or downside here in the US-Japanese yen pair, looking to grab about 25 pips to the upside, getting in around 81.08 and exiting around the 81.31 mark. To the downside, a little bit further of a move, but selling short around 80.32 and then looking to get out about 18 pips pretty quick at 80.14. Now the pound US dollar pair. This pair did move to the downside. It did move to the downside after gapping up. However, it did create an inside bar. I'm looking for this one to go to the downside, not necessarily to the upside. So this one we only have one that we're looking for. Basically looking for it to move lower, entering the market around 161.45 and looking for it to come down about 60 pips down to the 160.88 mark. Okay, we also have the US Swiss. This pair created an inside bar. It did close lower. I am looking for it to break to the downside. I think if we get a break to the downside, we're going to see it run a pretty good amount. Basically looking to short around 187.93. and looking to exit 85 pips lower around the 0.8708 mark. Well, that about wraps us up for today. Until next time, this is Jason Fielder. Good trading.